Here's an idea. When you're planning for a substitute teacher, leave a video demonstration the sub can play on your Newline interactive flat panel. I'm Megan Hoffman, a Technology Integration Specialist with the Southwest West Central Service Cooperative. Let's check out the AZ Screen Recorder app. Before you can use the AZ Screen Recorder app, you will need to download it onto your Newline IFP. Click the Apps button and open the Newline App Store. Search Recorder. The AZ Screen Recorder will most likely be the first one to appear. Follow the on-screen prompts to download it. When you are ready to record, open the AZ Screen Recorder from the apps. If you allowed the AZ Screen Recorder to show on top of other apps, you will see these control options. Click the one that looks like a video camera to begin recording. When you are done, click the one that is a square, the symbol to stop recording. Notice that everything you do on the screen will be recorded, so make sure you're not entering any sensitive information like passwords while you're recording. Videos are stored in the internal storage found in the File Commander. Open File Commander and then Internal Storage. If you want to leave the video for a substitute teacher, I suggest renaming the video by clicking the three-dot menu. Another suggestion is to add the video to your favorites. Then, when you leave instructions for the substitute to find the video, you can simplify the instructions too. Open File Commander, click on Favorites, click on the video named 30 March Sub. For more information, explanations, and inspiration, check out the SWWC Technology Integration channel on YouTube. And remember to click subscribe. Thanks for watching. Now you've got one more tool for your sub-plan tool belt.